before us. 6 of them will be now flown. The din comes here to celebrate this momentous occasion, the 6th Meghalaya Games.
And there is
the fly right up in the sky, ignited by the heating air and smoke.
celebration of the enactment and bow the kubor and Virginia, the Jinkman, the Jinsuk. Hagawa, you over here, Nigilikum, but men you can save your me. Yet night, you have to go to a pair of hair. These Dirikums are being locally made by people who are very creative in their own ways.
Athletics, in fact, the only athlete that will be representing our state.
In the name of all participants, I promise that we will take part in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 bus and carrying districts. In royal competition, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our team and the glory of sports. Thank you.
You all who have come here to watch, and we request all of you to go and watch them as well. Encourage sports, encourage youth, and encourage leadership, because at the end of the day, sports persons also make great leaders. A round of districts have gathered here and paraded before you in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, in front of us, athletes from Jowai district. A big round of applause for all of them, please.
Every time we are
to the truth.